Hello everybody, welcome in today's session. In today's video, we're going to look at a few currency pairs that I have on my watch list to spot potential trading opportunities that we have for the coming week and how we can take advantage of them. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick with us until the end. Like this video, you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to start off with JPYX, the Japanese currency index. For me, I feel like for the coming week, I'm anticipating to see the Japanese gaining strength. If we look at it from a weekly perspective, we can see that the trend is bearish. Obviously, we can see that the trend is clearly bearish. But last week, we can see prices closed with a doji, indicating a lack of momentum after the break and retest of this trend line that can be spotted perfectly on the daily. This one right here. So that means prices have broken above this trend line. And also on the daily, we can see prices created a new higher low. That's an indication of the trend to change, right? Now, after prices create a higher high, that will be the confirmation that the trend has officially changed. And we might be looking for prices to push higher until the next market structure somewhere up here. However, currently we still have just that as an indication, and prices are still below this resistance structure. So we can't really make any rash decisions. We have to wait for prices to break this, then we'll take advantage of the move. So where are we going to be looking to take advantage of this move? We're going to be looking to take advantage on it on CAD JPY and Euro JPY. Obviously, if we look at CAD JPY from the weekly perspective, we can see that prices are just below this ascending trend line. Now I'll be looking, or I'm anticipating to see prices get rejected of it and prices push lower. Obviously, it's a confluence of two structures. It's a trend line and this resistance. So I'm anticipating to see prices reject off. I'm expecting to see prices reject off that structure and dump all the way until somewhere down here. That's what I'm anticipating to see. On Euro JPY, I'm anticipating to see prices reject off this resistance structure. And then from here, I want to see prices dump all the way until this being the first targets, and then breaking below this structure, giving us a retest, this trend line being the second or our final target on where we anticipate to see prices keep on dumping to. So that's what I'm anticipating to see prices do on Euro JPY. Mind you, this is the weekly time frame. So on the daily, that's a longest, like it's a very long move. And you can see also on the daily, it has already started indicating by creating new lower highs. So that means prices have a very high possibility to keep on dropping as they've created the lower high and lower low on Euro JPY. So that's a good indication that prices have already started this bearish move on Euro JPY. So now let's talk about the US dollar. What's going on with the DXY, the US dollar currency index? With the US dollar, I'm anticipating to see prices be bearish for the coming week. Obviously, we can see prices have been losing momentum once they've reached on this structure here. We anticipate to see prices drop all the way until somewhere here to give us a third touch on this ascending trend line. We can see for the last week, prices have closed with the bearish, with the doji, indicating a lack of momentum after this bullish run. So for the coming week, I'll be anticipating to see a drop on the US dollar price. How will that be impacting USD JPY? Obviously, you can already see that prices are on this resistance. So from there, I'll be anticipating to see prices be bearish and give us that bearish move. Euro USD, obviously it's inversely correlated. Prices, as you can see, they're on this ascending trend line and closed with a doji. So from there, I'm anticipating to see prices pump at least until the first targets being on this descending trend line. GBP USD prices closed with a hammer. I'll be anticipating to see prices pump until somewhere up here being the first targets. With gold, prices are creating higher highs day in, day out. Obviously, with the DXY going to lose again its value in this coming week, I'll be anticipating to see prices within gold push even higher. Currently, I won't be really anticipating to see prices retrace until somewhere on this resistance. I feel that's far-fetched, but prices might be looking to retest our recent market structure somewhere here perhaps, and then from there a bullish continuation. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on gold and other US dollar based currency pairs. So if you found value in this video, please do consider giving us a like, comment below what's your biggest takeaway. Don't forget to subscribe and share with a few friends that you believe will find value in this video. Till next time, guys, I hope you have a great Easter. For those that don't know, I'm running a special offer this weekend, 30% off on all Signal services. Join the free Telegram discussion group that's linked in the description. Contact me, join the VIP so that you won't miss out on this amazing offer. Till next time, guys, I appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Peace.